Ready to move your Solana from Binance to Bullx in under 2 minutes? Let's dive in. First, log into your Binance account. Head over to your wallet, usually found at the top right of the screen, and click on Fiat and Spot. Now, find Solana, or SOL, in your list of assets. Once you've located it, click on the Withdraw button next to it. Next, log into your Bullx exchange account. Navigate to the Deposit section. Make sure you select Solana as the coin you want to deposit. This is very important. Copy your Bullx Solana deposit address. Be absolutely sure to double-check the address. Sending to the wrong address means your funds are lost forever. Back on Binance, paste the Bullx deposit address into the address field. Make sure the network is selected as Solana or SOL. Then, enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Double-check all the details one last time. Ensure the address and amount are correct. When you're sure, click the Confirm button. Binance will likely ask you to complete a security verification. This might involve entering codes sent to your phone via SMS and from your Google Authenticator app. The transfer is now initiated. It usually takes a few minutes for the Solana to appear in your Bullx wallet. Check your Bullx account to confirm the deposit. Congratulations! You've successfully transferred Solana from Binance to Bullx.